In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV so you can enjoy live and on-demand access to every NBA game this season. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers NBA League Pass as an add-on subscription, making it easy to integrate with your existing plan. To purchase NBA League Pass, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Add-ons or Subscriptions section. Scroll through the list of available add-ons until you find NBA League Pass. Once you've located it, click the option to add it to your subscription. You'll be prompted to review the pricing details and confirm your payment method. After completing the purchase, NBA League Pass will be integrated into your YouTube TV experience, and you'll see it listed under your active subscriptions. To access NBA League Pass content, go to the Sports tab or use the search bar to find specific games or teams. You can watch live games, replays, and exclusive highlights directly through the YouTube TV app or website. Keep in mind that some games may still be subject to local blackout restrictions, so check the schedule for availability. If you no longer need NBA League Pass, you can cancel it anytime by returning to the add-ons section in your settings and removing it from your subscription. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on enhancing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope buying NBA League Pass on YouTube TV was simple and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.